You have a good night's sleep?
No.
Ah. Morning, Uganda. Did you have a good night's sleep? So we all slept in this bedroom last night. Me and Cashman over there, and the girls slept in this bed.
I don't want to leave. I don't want to go. What are you looking at?
A little cute vlogger. All right.
Stand tall.
So, how was your night stay here at 239?
I could not go to bed with Penny. She kept digging into me and kept digging into. Mommy had to move over, and now I stepped in her bed. And now that was a good one. Yeah.
Nice one, Penny.
Hope you guys enjoyed that fun morning intro here at the Carter Caves State Park Resort, lots 239 here in Kentucky, man. What a great night's stay. I have no complaints. Anyway, welcome to this beautiful Thursday morning, February 10th, 2022. Great day to be alive, baby. Got a couple things on our itemized list today. We got to first, I think, check out at least one of the Carter Caves. So we're going to do that. And then we got to pack up and head on back to Mayfield, Kentucky, baby. We're about 5 hours east, you know, of the western part of the state. So we still got a ways to go. 5 hours is a lot with the campers, you know, so we got to pretty much pack up and get going here. But welcome back. Hope you guys enjoyed today's adventure. We'll check in with you. See ya.
So long, 239er.
A great night's stay. Let's go spelunking. You gotta really be careful, it's icy. I'm glad I brought the right foot attire. How about it, Billy? Yeah. All-purpose spares, buddy. About time. So this is called the Natural Bridge. Wow.
Got it. UK.
Come on, guys.
Oh, we eating in here.
Let's eat, yeah.
Socks and shoes.
Nolin Lake State Park, Kentucky, baby.
Briar Creek Road for 3 miles.
Oh man, this is awesome. Nolin Lake.
Good morning, you guys. Friday, February 11th. Beautiful morning out here in Nolin State Park. So many birds and wildlife. So pretty out here. Man, I'm just loving those morning intros. They're all real clips. It's so cool. Well, big day today. It is Friday, February 11th, 2022, and we're about 2 hours out of Mayfield, Kentucky. And today's video, we're just going to showcase, you know, what it's like after a F4 tornado 2 months later. Hi. Hi. Whoa, look at the, wow. Nice job. Mommy has a table set up. What are you baboons doing back there? Huh? Let me guess, wrestling. Good morning, you guys. Who's ready to head to Mayfield?
No!
Huh?
I want to go to Uncle Donald's. Yeah.
Uncle Donald's, huh? I gotta check with Uncle Donald on that one.
We already got invites.
You heard it. Let's go.
So in 3 weeks there with our gym and community center wide open and full of supplies. School was starting about the first week or first full week in January, so we had to consolidate a plan. A lot of our supplies went into those storage units out in our parking lot. I don't know if you saw those. We have 2 semis and then 2 Connex trailers filled with supplies that we've been distributing out of a separate building on our parking lot now since then too. And some churches are starting to coordinate their efforts a little bit together. Some of them are starting to send their supplies to our local fairgrounds, which is kind of a community-led group right now. We now distribute on Wednesdays. We were doing Wednesdays and Saturdays because that's when the graphic closes. But now we're doing Wednesdays and 2 to 6, and we do hot meals every Wednesday, and we do distribution. We're still wide open. Just now we do it on Wednesdays. So.
Oh, you're a good man. That's pretty awesome. I was just curious how that went. We did see the semis outside there in another building and stuff, and looks like you know, a lot of the items were going out there for folks in need.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome. Yeah, we just drove around town. It's pretty crazy. You know, a lot of bulldozers moving around, but I love to see that people are rebuilding. You know, that's awesome.
Yeah, we've had some groundbreakings already, and yesterday we hosted in our church foyer there. There's a ministry that's you know, Mennonite Disaster Services, a ministry, one of many that have come in to help us start rebuilding, and they're working with a local 501c3 called Homes and Hope of Kentucky, and they've got about 10 houses being in process right now, and those families were meeting at our church yesterday to pick out their faucets and their lighting and their doorknobs, things like that, and they're starting to rebuild in the next week or two. So it's dust. Dust is still in the air, but it's starting to settle a little bit, and most importantly, starting to have some rebuilds here. We've got some coordinated efforts to a long-term recovery group that have a lot of different volunteer groups coming in from either out in the state or in the nation. They're starting to come together. Samaritan's Purse is one of those, and several others. And there's just a coordinated effort, and it takes time to get everybody to the table and make sure nobody's falling through the cracks, things like that. But yeah, we're actually I'm looking personally for to hire a construction manager to help work for our long-term recovery group. I'm now serving as the chair of the long-term recovery group for the community, so we've been pretty covered up.
Wow, that's awesome. So you're a busy guy. I really appreciate it. Thanks for getting back to me, Pastor Al, and it sounds like things are on the up for you. You know, it's different when you see it in person. You know, watch it on the news and all that, but when you see it, in real time, it's pretty wild. Puts things in perspective for sure.
It is. Well, I appreciate you guys checking on us, and obviously your donations were very well accepted. I'm sure they've been put to use a long time ago now.
I'm sure. Well, I appreciate it. We're praying for you guys. Thanks for getting back to me, Pastor.
All right.
All right. Have a good weekend. All right. Bye now. There you go. Donations probably went out a while ago. So, there you have it. Mayfield, Kentucky, 2 months later. They're on the up.